Hello everyone and welcome back to the Potspoon kitchen. In today's recipe we are going to be making a mango passion fruit pound cake with a waterfall of mango passion fruit glaze. So subscribe to the channel and let's begin to make our cake batter. To start off our recipe, I have 3 passion fruit and I have 3 mangoes that I bought. These are the mangoes that are not high in fiber, but if you have mangoes that are high in fiber, it's totally okay. I've went ahead and cut off the pulp of the mangoes, and now we are going to make the puree. And I'm going to go ahead and puree the mangoes. This is ready. We have 40 grams of mango puree, which is needed for the batter. And I'm going to use the passion fruit and get the juice out of them. And there are different varieties of passion fruit. And I'm not quite sure what this one is called with the white pulp, but I'm accustomed to the one with the yellow pulp. We are now ready to make our cake batter. We have 40 grams of passion fruit juice, fresh passion fruit juice, and we have 40 grams of mango puree. We know that a pound cake is made up of 1 pound of butter, 1 pound of sugar, and 1 pound of flour. So we're going to add our softened room temperature butter, 1 pound, and we're going to add 1 pound of white sugar, granulated sugar. I'm going in with my mixer and we're going to mix this until it's creamed, fluffy, white, and increased in volume by about 2 times. And this is nicely creamed, and it took me about 5 minutes to do this. To this I am adding 1 egg at a time, and I'm going to mix in intervals. Whenever eggs and butter are creamed properly, this is what it's supposed to look like. It should not split, and you should not see the eggs floating or separating the butter from the eggs. And that is why you add it 1 at a time, so that the butter get a chance to expand as elastic to soak up 1 egg each time you put it in. So now we're going to go ahead and add the vanilla, the passion fruit, and the mango. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of white vanilla because white vanilla pairs well with the fruits. 40 grams of fresh passion fruit juice. And 40 grams of mango puree. I am adding 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And let's mix again. This step is completely optional. I have some golden yellow food coloring that I'm going to add a touch to it for some color. and it does smell like mango passion fruit. For the dry ingredients, I have 250 grams of flour, salt, baking powder. And I'm going to sift this. And before I mix this, I'm adding about 1/4 of fresh nutmeg. From here, I am mixing it with my hand for a very moist pound cake. The nutmeg has brought out back all the freshness of the mango and the passion fruit. If you haven't subscribed, please support my channel by subscribing and also commenting. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment and like the video. You can also share, which will help me to grow and reach more people and create more unique recipes. And this is nice, smooth, and this is ready to go. I lined my baking pan, high lining, so that the pound cake can rise as much as it wants to. And we're going to pour this in here. And I'm going to go ahead and smooth off everything evenly. For the glaze, in this bowl I have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of mango puree and 1 tablespoon of passion fruit juice. We want to keep that natural consistency and the natural flavors of the mango and passion fruit to enhance the overall flavor of the cake. 2 more tablespoons of mango puree, and the glaze is done. So we worked so hard and it's time to take a cut out of our pound cake. And this is what it looks like inside. And here you have it. Mango passion fruit pound cake. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.